The Bicicletta. It's sour, bitter and in your face. So it's exactly like a cyclist when you try to cross the road in London. And make sure you hit that subscribe button into next week. The ingredient lineup: Campari, a dry white wine, I've gone with Pinot Grigio here, and then soda water. This is a really punchy and dry Spritz, not particularly strong, but if you like your Americanos and Negronis, this will be right up your alley. We're going to be assembling this in the glass, so you don't need much equipment, only need a glass and a mixing spoon. Add ice to your glass. I'll admit this is a bit below par, it's a tad too cloudy for me and I didn't temper it. Add 3 ounces, that's 90ml of a dry white wine. Add 2 ounces, that's 60ml of Campari. Then top up with soda water. I went for 2 ounces here. Give this a good stir. The Bicicletta hails from Italy and the name translates to bicycle. Rumour has it was named after drunken elderly customers who tried to cycle home after spending the afternoon drinking. I really hope this story is true. Then garnish this with 2 slices of orange. The taste test. This comes right at you like a punch straight to the face. It's not particularly strong, but it's very dry and bitter. And this is not a drink for a tamer, more delicate boozer who likes their sweeter, lighter drinks. This is more for veteran drinkers. I could drink this, but personally, if it was on the menu, I wouldn't pick it. But it's not a bad drop.